Parish in southeastern Louisiana until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Folsom, or 10 miles east of Emmett, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Ponchatoula, Springfield, Natalbany, Robert, and Tickfaw. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 12 between mile markers 36 and 52. Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 24 and 35. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in New Orleans. Here's a special weather statement.